Blessed good morning, everybody. I don't know, big up and respect. I don't know, Jamaica Walk By. And guess what? Today is wedding day. Yeah. I'm gonna make it clear. It's a non-traditional wedding. Watch Karina just black out the wall and the look light. You know what I'm looking some? Good God. When I don't know, this is Kawiwa.
Hi guys.
So she
doing well.
I said, go on again.
I hope everyone is doing well. And this is the traditional hairstylist. I'm the hairstylist on the block. Oh.
Continue.
Oh, so you know, if you want your hairstyles, the baddest hairstyle, the newest hairstyle, you come and check.
But they have the shop. Jesus, Pete. So as we say, it's a non-traditional wedding. Look upon Kylie hairstyle done and fleek already. Say hi.
Hi.
You love your hairstyle?
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Turn around, let them see it. Let them see it. Turn around. Oh yeah. What superstar? Nice. Who did your hair?
I can come here.
Who did your hair? Who come in here?
Is she by the come here?
No, tell me who come in here.
Come here.
Mommy come in here.
Yeah, mommy come here.
Yeah, and you love it, right?
Yeah, mama, she's so much fun.
Wonderful. So it's a non-traditional wedding.
And I also want to go.
Can you let me speak now, please?
Okay, yeah.
Good. So Kadina the hairdresser. It's a Kadina the hairdresser for Jamaica Walk By today. So far she going good. Yeah, nice, beautiful. Hold on, I have to go change the camera angle. This is it. And then let me just give you an instruction. It's a non-traditional wedding, meaning say we not do no big big excitement and thing. We're just getting ready as a family with just our close relatives, and we're gonna go to the church with the pastor, and we're gonna take some photos, do some videos, and do our vows and everything like that. And this coming July now, we're gonna do the official reception and stuff. We're gonna invite as much persons we want to invite to a venue, decorated nice, and eat some food, and the whole works. You understand? And that time is actually Lexi's birthday. Yeah.
Well,
And Lexi said it's traditionally enough that we are actually going inside a one church. So yeah, stay tuned. Let me show you the hairstyle. So as I said, I change the camera angle so you can see Kadina, they must see it, how it looks. So this is what it looks like before it done. So the girl are going. Nice. A big hairdresser. See? So you don't know, ear wash, well wash, and she do all of my hairstyle them, so you don't know, so she tough. You know what I mean?
Tough.
You do the Instagram it?
From my hair business? Or,
Yeah, for your ear business.
No.
You don't do that yet? And you're so tough?
Well,
Yeah, you're locking, man. So, yeah, massive. This is it, so. We are get ready, and you don't know me, I keep on posted right through. Me I go make you see how me suit, but yo, me so bad. Mad.
Tough.
And thing I make gonna see how Lexi look and thing I will get ready. We just share the moment with as our family right now, with YouTube family. And I mean, big up to all my members, all my subscribers, them and thing, everybody. You don't know, super appreciate but just keep watching. Nice, simple vibe, nothing too extra and thing. You see me? We just are keeping it real. You see me? I say so. Let's go. Let's move on to the next. My hairstyle is soon finished, but this is the reason why I wanted to show you. So look at this beauty right here. Oh my word. Lexi, how you feeling?
Feeling like a princess.
Oh my word, so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Thank you.
Who did your makeup?
Makeup by Momo. She's in Maypen on Stark Street across from Open Bible. The best in Clarendon. Man, I ask.
I just feel different, special day.
Feel happy.
Non-traditional.
It's a traditional, you know, but it's on the fence.
It's on the fence.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you sure it's happy and thing?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
You know, me hate the camera. Me can't.
Cheese and peas. Oh yeah. So we just do a normal look vlog, just intervene, you know what I mean? That's the right word I should use?
Yeah.
Intervene.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just intervene on the so I can see the look of vibe, the look of, you know what I mean? She's not ready yet. This is just her ready in suit and we're about to get ready quick and fast.
Somewhere.
Which one?
Up on the end you put it?
Yep, on the last one.
Why?
Oh no, it's not on the. What is it? It is too close.
Yeah, no, if you
I
go
wanted it
somewhere.
tighter than that.
Yeah.
Let's get this thing on the road because guess what? Time ago. So let's do this. This is what me here look like when it's done. You don't know Kadina match it up. And one thing. I wonder if I not see it. Look good now, man. Fresh. So I'm gonna see what mommy I do with it. So mommy I get ready. So I'm gonna see what mommy I go. Where Dolly there? Okay, Dad! What are you doing? What you doing? Turn around and make this. I was sort you out.
My daughter, Tian.
Oh, how you feel?
Well, good.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Mad.
Just fix my ear.
They can't go recognize you.
Not at all.
Not at all. Turn around, spin, turn around. Let me see how the back. Lord. Alright, so you still get ready. Fix up,
Yeah,
fix
man,
up.
see the dress here.
I dress this. Amen.
Yeah.
Oh no, look good now, man.
Oh, you mean?
Figured that.
Hold it.
Alright, watch me, man. Yeah, catch your face. What you say? Clock it now, man. Make you say you clock it. You know if you clock it? No, man, you don't know if you clock it, man. Tiana have to go show you if you clock it.
I don't give me something that.
So far, only Tian me not catch so far, you know what I mean? I get ready and things. So you say Mummy, you say Lexi makeup. Me not do my one yet. Fire. But yeah, we Uncle Tian alone left, so Tian actually a bust a beard and sitting and then she go do up her face and we're going to show you what Tian look like when she dolly up herself and dolly up her face. And then you're going to see everybody went and them clothes put on and sit. But it's a good vlog, we just showing the whole vibe like energy as we get ready for a special day. So you don't know me, I go up now, go put on my tuxedo and bunch of thing and Lexi I put on her dress. I said we not do it traditional, but we just stick to what we feel comfortable with, just doing our nice like a small thing and intervene in the family and thing. And then in July we do a nice beautiful reception and thing. We can invite everybody who want invite, you see me? So this is just like about 6 of us or 7 of us is going to be there. So just to make it clear, so when people say, oh, you know, invite, we are, you know, so we don't really invite anybody at all. It's just the wedding. We just are going to do the vows and everything until July. See what I say? Yeah, so don't know. Suit time, I go get ready. Mad. This is my suit. You know what I mean? Ready? Look on this bad boy. This is my suit right here, you know what I mean? So I'll go drop it on you now. Nice 3-piece suit. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the color. Lovely. Alright. And we have this black tie to go with it. So it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna put this on real quick. Mad. Alright, so look, see there? I want to see it come together. Put on the vest now. And we get on the road. Understand? We are forward together. 3-piece. Today I walk by a special day. Hold on, how pants do I do it? What's your pants do it? You can't wave, huh? What's your pants do it? Voila.
Pokey dogs. Pokey dogs. Clean. Clean.
We'll get it right. So,
Pop soap.
at first I wear 3-piece, so them are supposed to button, right? I'm not telling you, you know. I'm not telling you, look, you know. You understand? Just another part before I fling on the jacket. And we'll do it like this. I'm telling me if we get there. Oh gosh, no, oh gosh. Look good now, man! Look good. And the tie and the jacket not going on yet. Sharp! Where's that blade? Guillotine! Let's go, man. Show now go on. Watch me now, check it. Alright, so far, look. I'm going to flick on the tuxedo now. Boy, Kylie. Cheese and peas. Like pants. Oh, yeah. Choice!
Choice!
Jesus!
Choice!
Jesus!
Jesus!
Oh under now. Look good now, man. Look good.
Oops.
Look good. Oh my word. Oh me look. Oh me look. Cheese and cheese. This is the button too. Oh no. Let me see how I saw you. Oh me look. Jesus. 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 Right then, Charlie. I am ready, and I am here. 3-piece suit, feeling good, feeling fresh, feeling very spectacular. And the moment of truth, we are going to welcome our bride. You understand? My beautiful bride, Alexia McNally, soon to be Mrs. Allen. So let's go. Wow! Don't move, 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 don't move. Oh my word. Kyla, come this side. Come this side, let me see your mother. It's all about mommy right now. Come this side, come. Come right here. Wow! Look at the outfit. Hey, go Lexi, go Lexi, go, 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 go Lexi, go. Oh my word, you're looking so beautiful. Oh my word.
Thank you.
Makeup on fleek. Nice. Oh man. Let's see the back, let's see the back. Let's give it a turn. Kyliak. Give it a turn, give it a turn. Give it a turn. Oh my word. What's sexy? Watch the good. I wonder who is at the door. Who is at the door? Oh my word, dude! Woolad! Nice, nice! Outside! Come true!
Right through.
Come true! Watch it! Step back a little bit there. Yes! Spin a roll. Nice, nice! Well done, sister. This is my sister. Nice and easy, man!
Kaya, you cutie. Chief, manager.
Man! Cheesy! Now we're actually heading to the church with the beautiful bride over there. Yeah. And the groom right here. So we're driving ourselves. So as you can see, we just have like Antonique fully asleep, and Kylie fully asleep. And never me tell them to wake up so early, which they wake up so early now, they're tired. And the church is actually in Kingston, so we are going. Oi, look on her sweet like a drink.
I was telling him that normally the bride doesn't sit in the front because, you know, the seat belt crush up your clothes, but I don't know, I never did do the maths before, but then again, you're supposed to wear seat belts at the back, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so I guess I couldn't avoid it. So you know how people that normally say, oh, the groom and the bride not supposed to see each other until the church. Honestly, me just couldn't bother with the hackling for having get another driver. I don't know. How does man rule?
I don't know if I rule that.
Oh, you must just the reveal when you go to church and me touch up on your back and your third round. Listen, we pity them for ready and we have it like even see me before he be even ready.
Yep.
Yeah, so
I miss you pretty every day.
not this pretty.
Yeah, point.
No, you're supposed to say yes, you're still pretty that every day.
You say something. You say you look pretty every day, and you say not this pretty.
Yeah,
so
but you're still supposed to be like
pretty number 1, pretty number 2, pretty number 3. Say the wheel, you know. You not tell me this morning, say I best me ever look.
so maybe say hello.
See there? Boy, I look good for you still, right?
Where's the light?
Guillotine. Jaja no. Where's how you feel? Sharp.
Cool now, man.
Look on the ice breeze now, man.
Don't know.
Special day.
Day.
Oh my word.
See?
You look sharp though. I love them man. What you say? You look sharp, you look fresh.
Sharp.
Yeah.
It's a knife.
You say now go back in the ice breeze.
When?
No.
No, so when they get up, they get hot.
I don't think it's hot.
Yeah. Colder than
Say no want make snow angel, man.
I don't want to pick up my stone my room. What if it's China show me my rig up ice? Ice. I show up on banking. I don't want to go to my room.
Yeah.
No, sir.
They say they are waiting today. Special day, eh? Tie not. Feel good? Clean.
Where you show your friend? 10th floor.
10th floor?
Yeah.
So make 10th floor to walk, man. All of them will see this. Since you just be alone there. Oh, you mean? Big up it up.
How can I pick that my room?
We're outside.
How can I pick that?
Wrangler. So on a special day, you don't know. The great Yo Noel.
Yo, go on.
No man, what you did, Mr. What's going in?
Oh, sorry.
Come
What's
on.
going in?
That is it. So massive don't know, so we are know Yo Noel come like the perfect duo, you know, on the vlogging.
Yeah.
So I know we're gonna take over the rest of the show. So every other video we are gonna see right now,
Up
it's
on my
all
camera.
about Yo Noel.
Yeah.
So if you don't subscribe to Yo Noel YouTube, now go see it below. Gonna subscribe to him channel. So see him ready, him ready,
Yeah.
fully. So everything
Camera.
going forward.
Yeah,
Yo
man, the camera.
Noel.
Usually at the phone we rock it, but today, at the big boy, you know?
Mean business.
Yeah.
That is it. What eyebrow on there? Come in, eyebrow. So, to all of the photo works, them and all of the big bad thing they do, if you want your special day, if you look perfect, one eyebrow. You understand? It live in colors. You understand what I say? And listen to me. No move. Anywhere in the world, you feel like say, you want something to happen, he will be able to reach up because him have something like this. Well, make for go every single part of Jamaica. This is what Uncle Tony was talking when he was asking me, what is this? You understand? This is like a 10x Wrangler. This go anywhere in the world. So remember, you have to visit Eyebrow. Tell them your social. Eyebrow.
I_brown photos.
That is it.
Alright.
So I'm going to post a few of the photos them and I say the great job where this one I going to do. A mad thing. Yo, Noel, take it away.
After this, you're in it for life. Okay? I, Fabian Albert Allen,
I, Fabian Albert Allen,
now take the Alexia Lillian McNally
now take the Alexia Lillian McNally
to be my lawful wedded wife,
to be my lawful wedded wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
according to God's holy ordinance,
according to God's holy ordinance,
and thereto
and
I pledge thee
my love.
Okay. I, Alexia Lillian McNally,
I, Alexia Lillian McNally,
now take thee, Fabian Albert Allen,
now take thee, Fabian Albert Allen,
to be my lawful wedded
to
husband,
be my lawful wedding
to
husband,
have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
and forsaking all others,
and forsaking all others.
keep me only unto myself,
Keep me only unto myself,
The let us to part.
Let us part.
And hereto
And here too,
I pledge thee
I pledge thee
my love.
my love.
A one in a million, a chance of a lifetime, yeah. And the light shows compassion will, and they said to me, as the road of love called you. A one in a million you.
Alright, Fabian, tell me how you feel.
Feeling great. It's a very good day. See there? Finger nice and decent, and it's been a great day. Simple, small, non-traditional, just the family us here. So anybody who never get invited and say, oh, there's absolutely no one here except my mother and my close families. Okay, so we just needed something to just be simple, small, but look out for July. Alright, stay tuned for July for the big moment, the big day. And this one is just to be recorded just for my viewers and subscribers can actually see who has actually been there for me over the years, and making sure that we are alright. You understand? So thank you so much, and we're gonna move from here, go and take some beautiful picture by the great man Eyebrow. So big up to Yo Noel behind the camera. So please, go subscribe to Yo Noel on YouTube. Remember, you want the great content them about Jamaica. So thank you so much for watching, and we're there, and it's been great. Thanks to everybody again. Big up to my sister who is here, and my mother who is here, my two nieces, which is Antanika and Kadida. We can't left out Tiger Bone, Great Ice Breeze. And big up to my mother, Miss May, and big up to Tian for do nice up my mother makeup and her hair and them thing there. Big up to Momo out of Maypen for the beautiful wife of mine, makeup and thing, and then who do the nails?
Basara Co on Instagram.
You hear that?
I'm here.
No, Joe, who do you hear?
Sham down by Lionel Town.
And Sham down by Lionel Town for Lexi's here. So listen, if you don't know somebody do the right thing, if you believe somebody do the right thing, getting married to this beautiful lady of mine who is my wife now, please remember, like this video. See? Make sure you like the video. Drop a comment in the comment section. Remember, you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tell me how you feel. You can do all like congratulations them and all of the good stuff below the video. I remember when I see Noel channel goes me know so I actually like the video because you go and subscribe to Yo Noel. See? All the new people them subscribe to Jamaica in 10 and Jamaica Walk By. That is it. Outside.